Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Many of you had been requesting for so many days that you actually wanted to see Lalita Parameshwari Alankaram, and yes, I did do it for a Lakshmi Vigraha and show you on how to transform any of the Lakshmi Vigraha to Lalita Parameshwari. But over here, one of the subscribers, she had called me and she asked me to help her out in finding a beautiful Lalita Parameshwari idol, and that is when we happened to come across such a pretty idol. So she's going to take this idol away for Navratri for doing the puja, and just before that I thought of sharing this beautiful idol with you all, and I thought of doing alankaram to her and show you all on how to do it, just in case if you also have a Lalita Parameshwari in your house. And this idol is actually available for sale. So this idol is 10 inches and it costs 10,900 rupees, and the weight of this idol is 4 kgs. So just in case if you also want to purchase this idol, then please do not miss to send me a WhatsApp message on this number and I'll be in touch with you. So just in case if you also want to learn on how to do this beautiful alankaram for such a beautiful vigraha, then please don't miss to watch this video till the end, because I will be showing a special variety of dress for this idol which I have not shown any time before.
नित्यागतानं तनित्यानं दिने जनरञ्जने नित्यप्रकाशिने चैव स्वप्रकाशस्वरूपिणे महालक्ष्मीर्महाकाली महाकन्या सरस्वती भोगवैभवसंधात्री भक्तानुग्रहकारिणी ईशावास्या महामाया महादेवी महेश्वरी हृल्लेखा परमाशक्तिर्मातृका बीजरूपिणे नित्यानन्द नित्यबोध नादिनी जनमोदिनी सत्यप्रत्ययनी चैव.
So now let me just show you the close-up of the idol on how she looks, so that you will get an idea just in case if you want to buy on what all she is holding in her hands and how is the idol looking.
भद्रकाली कराली च महाकाली तिलोत्तमा काली करालवक्त्रान्ता कामाक्षी कामदा शुभा चण्डिका चण्डरूपे च चामुण्डा चक्रधारिणी त्रैलोक्यजननी देवी त्रैलोक्यविजयोत्तमा सिद्धलक्ष्मीः क्रियालक्ष्मीर्मोक्षलक्ष्मीः प्रसादिनी उमा भगवती दुर्गा चान्द्री दाक्षायणी शिवा प्रत्यङ्गिराधरा वेला लोकमाता हरिप्रिया पार्वती परमादेवी ब्रह्मविद्या प्रदायिनी अरूपा बहुरूपा च विरूपा विश्वरूपिणी पञ्चभूतात्मिका वाणी पञ्चभूतात्मिका परा कालिका पञ्चिका वाग्मी कविः प्रत्यधिदेवता देवमाता सुरेशाना वेदगर्भाम्बिका धृतिः संख्या जातिः क्रियाशक्तिः प्रकृतिर्मोहिनी मही यज्ञविद्या महाविद्या.
So the dress that I am going to use for today's alankaram looks something like this. This is actually a pure silk material. I don't know if you are able to make out. But this is the material which is actually used for stitching blouse pieces for Kanjivaram silk sarees. And this happens to be the blouse. So it has got 2 threads at the top and 2 threads at the bottom. Okay, in this way. And this beautiful piece also comes with a chunri. So this is the chunri. Okay. So let me just show you on how to drape this idol. Many of you have got a doubt on how this kind of dress is going to look on the idol, and that is why I thought let me just show you all. Though you have seen my Durga being decorated with these kind of skirts earlier. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the sugarcane from her hand and just use these 2 threads to tie at her waist. There is a reason for not stitching this dress in such a way that it covers the entire idol. That kind of a style is going to look nice only when the idol is standing. But when the idol is sitting, we will be having these kind of legs protruding at the sides, okay? and it is not going to look nice if we drape the entire idol. So that is the reason these dresses are stitched like this, wherein they cover only the front part of the idol. So when we stitch a dress like this, what happens? Even if the hands and all are sticking to the leg, even then you should be able to drape these kind of saris to the idols. Okay, so these kind of dresses will be suitable for any type of idol for that matter. Now let me just put the blouse for her. So for the blouse, all I need to do is just take the upper two threads and tie it at her neck. The below two threads and tie it at her waist. This way. And that's it. The sari draping is completed. Actually, there is a lot of light problem in the room where I'm recording, and that is why sometimes you feel like the dress is very dark and sometimes you feel like the dress is very light. Okay, so this is the proper color of the dress and this is exactly how the idol looks like. So now you are seeing that it has become dim and you know the color has faded, right? So don't worry about it. It's a beautiful color. It's a navy blue color. Now let me just show you on what type of jewelry I'm going to put for her. And now when it comes to chunri, there are two ways in which you can actually drape it. The first and the foremost thing is by covering her head like this, which is the most popular style. Okay, in this way. So either you can cover the chunri in this way, or otherwise I think this idol is so beautiful that I don't want to cover her with the chunri. So what I do is I just take it out and fold the chunri. And I'm just going to put it like this for her. And the last bit is the Prabhavali. And that is it. See how beautiful and gorgeous she looks. And though this is a different style of dress, it's still going to look very, very gorgeous on the idols and all.
नित्यागतानं तनित्यानं दिने जनरञ्जने नित्यप्रकाशिनी चैव स्वप्रकाशस्वरूपिणी महालक्ष्मीर्महाकाली महाकन्या सरस्वती भोगवैभवसंधात्री भक्तानुग्रहकारिणी ईशावास्या महामाया महादेवी महेश्वरी हृल्लेखा परमाशक्तिर्मातृका बीजरूपिणे नित्यानन्द नित्यबोध नादिनी जनमोदिनी सत्यप्रत्ययनी चैव स्वप्रकाशात्मरूपिणी त्रिपुरा भैरवी विद्या हंसा वागीश्वरी शिवा वाग्देवी च महारात्रिः कालरात्रिस्त्रिलोचनी भद्रकाली कराली च महाकाली तिलोत्तमा काली करालवक्त्रान्ता कामाक्षी कामदा शुभा चण्डिका चण्डरूपे च चामुण्डा चक्रधारिणी त्रैलोक्यजननी देवी त्रैलोक्यविजयोत्तमा.
So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.